Hey everyone, today we'll be walking through the steps to replace the filter on your active foam cannon. Replacing the filter is crucial for keeping your foam cannon at peak performance. Over time, it can clog with soap or debris, reducing foam and pressure. If you notice weaker spray or uneven foam, it's time for a new filter. Replacing it helps restore your cannon's power and ensures a thick, consistent foam every use. Tools you will need: a pick tool. Let's get started. Step 1. Use the pick tool to push and remove the pin to unlock the nozzle. Keep the pin in a safe place. Step 2. Gently pull the nozzle from the spray head. Be careful not to pull too hard, as the spring and small rod inside may become loose. Step 3. Remove the spring, small rod, and filter from the nozzle. Gently tap the nozzle in your palm to release any parts and keep everything in a safe place. Step 4. Replace the old filter with the new one. Then, reinsert the spring and small rod back into their positions. Step 5. Reattach the nozzle to the spray head, then secure it by reinserting the locking pin. You have successfully replaced the filter on your active foam cannon. If you need any further assistance, feel free to contact customer support at support@activeproducts.com.